So before viewing this video, you guys might be wondering what all this red dirt that you've seen all over this car is about. This car has been sitting in an oil-filled yard full of red dirt. Obviously no motor currently in it, but has been sitting broke down in a yard full of red dirt for a long period of time. It wasn't driven or anything like that with all this dirt that's caked on everything, especially on the filters for these turbos. Everything's been sealed up, just sitting, collecting dirt. So when you see this video and you see those filters, don't think that this car was being starved of air. Those filters get an oil on them, and that dirt has stuck to that oil pretty well. That's just your little disclaimer before viewing the video. Hope you enjoy it. Here's after. Still gotta oil it up, but they are clean on the inside, no damages. But that's probably the dirtiest filter I've ever seen. But it'll clean up. Alright, now they've dried, and I'm gonna stick this air filter oil on them. Here's a quick video before I stick those back on. Pretty clean now. After oiling the filters up, cleaning them real well. Got most all the dirt out of this little compartment back here. They just get one flat head on each. Put the tail lights back on and be done with that.